Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare bean stew for chapati. First, select about 1 cup of dried beans, carefully checking for any small stones or debris. Rinse them well under cold, running water to remove any dirt. Then, place the cleaned beans in a bowl and cover them with 3 cups of fresh water. Let them soak overnight, or for at least 8 hours, to soften them for cooking. After soaking, drain the beans and transfer them to a clean pot. Add about 4 cups of fresh water, ensuring the beans are fully submerged. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook the beans for 60 to 90 minutes, or until they are tender. Make sure they are soft enough to mash easily but still hold their shape. Drain them and set aside. Now, let's build the stew's flavor base. In a separate pot, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté until soft and translucent. Next, stir in 2 minced garlic cloves and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add 1 diced tomato and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, cooking until the tomato softens. To finish your delicious bean stew, add the cooked beans to the flavorful base. Pour in 1 cup of vegetable broth and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Season with salt and chili powder to your preference. Serve hot with chapati. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.